Imagine if your latest AI-generated masterpiece could be the modern-day Mona Lisa, only digital and exponentially more groundbreaking. Welcome to the future of art, where algorithms dance with creativity to produce stunning visual pieces. Today, we're diving deep into the most sought-after methods to not just showcase, but profit from your digital artistry. Stay with us to uncover the top 10 ways to sell your AI-generated art, revolutionizing your creative journey while turning a handsome profit. Because in this digital age, it's not just about the brushstrokes, it's about the bytes and the blockchain. Ready to ride the wave of the future? Let's dive in. Leveraging online art platforms. The digital age has brought us numerous online platforms where artists can showcase and sell their work. And this applies to AI-generated art as well. Platforms such as ArtStation, DeviantArt, and Redbubble provide a global audience at your fingertips. If you are leaning towards AI-generated art, it's essential to differentiate yourself on these platforms. Highlight that your artwork is powered by AI, emphasizing its uniqueness and the modern tech approach you've embraced. On these platforms, it's not only about selling, but also building a community. Engage with other artists and potential buyers by leaving comments, joining groups, and sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your AI art-making process. As you establish yourself on these platforms, remember to keep your portfolio updated. As AI technology progresses, so will the techniques and styles it can produce. Regularly refreshing your gallery ensures that you showcase the best and most recent of your creations. Also, pay attention to the licensing options. AI-generated art can sometimes navigate murky waters in terms of copyright, especially if using pre-existing datasets. Ensure you're clear about the rights buyers have when purchasing your artwork. Additionally, consider offering a variety of products on these platforms. Apart from selling digital prints, you can also monetize your AI art by putting them on merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. These platforms typically provide easy options to diversify the way your art reaches enthusiasts, expanding your potential revenue streams. Personal website and SEO optimization. Having your own website offers a professional front for your AI art business. While platforms can drive traffic, a personal site dedicated to your art ensures you have full control over how you present your work. Begin by choosing a domain name that is both unique and memorable. It should ideally resonate with the essence of your art. Having an About section detailing your journey into AI art and the technology used can provide a story, building a deeper connection with potential buyers. However, a website is only as good as its visibility. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. Invest time into understanding the best SEO practices, ensuring your website ranks high on search engine results for keywords related to AI art. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, your website also serves as a direct channel for sales. Integrate secure payment gateways and provide multiple payment options. Additionally, consider adding a blog or a news section where you discuss the latest in AI and art, share updates about your work, and delve into the intricate details of creating art with AI. This not only boosts your SEO, but positions you as a thought leader in the domain, building credibility with potential buyers. Social media promotion and engagement. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter have become indispensable tools for artists to showcase their work. The visual nature of these platforms makes them ideal for promoting AI-generated art. Create dedicated pages or profiles for your artwork, ensuring the aesthetics align with your brand. Use high-resolution images, and if possible, share videos that show the progression of your art, offering followers a behind-the-scenes look into the AI processes. Engagement is crucial on social media. Regularly interact with your followers by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, or even conducting polls to gauge what type of AI art they'd love to see next. Algorithms on social media platforms often favor accounts with higher engagement, ensuring more visibility for your posts. Don't underestimate the power of hashtags. Research relevant hashtags in the AI art space and use them judiciously to increase the reach of your posts. Collaborations can also amplify your reach. Partner with fellow artists, AI enthusiasts, or tech influencers for joint art projects or shoutouts. Such collaborations introduce your work to a wider audience, increasing the potential for sales and growing your digital footprint in the AI art community. Digital art auctions and NFTs. With the meteoric rise of blockchain technology, artists have discovered an innovative way to sell their work through non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These digital tokens verify the authenticity and uniqueness of your art, essentially minting a digital certificate of authenticity. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation offer artists the space to auction their AI-generated art as NFTs. Listing your artwork here taps into a market of art collectors and blockchain enthusiasts willing to pay a premium for unique digital assets. When presenting your AI art in these forums, offer a backstory, explain the algorithm, algorithms, neural networks, or AI software utilized. Buyers often appreciate the tech intricacies and creativity interwoven into AI art. It's essential to also stay updated on cryptocurrency trends, as fluctuations may influence buyer decisions. Furthermore, some NFT platforms allow you to earn royalties, ensuring you get a percentage from secondary sales of your art. This not only provides a continual revenue stream, but also recognizes and compensates your evolving reputation and value in the AI art space. Collaborate with physical art galleries. Traditional art spaces are increasingly open to embracing digital art form, especially the groundbreaking realm of AI art. Engage with local art galleries or pop-up art events, proposing a hybrid showcase that blends the tactile experience of physical spaces with the digital dynamism of your AI-generated creations. This collaboration provides a tactile touchpoint for potential buyers, enabling them to engage with your artwork in a more intimate setting. Equip those spaces with digital displays, augmented reality tools, or even VR headsets, immersing visitors into the digital depths of your creations. This fusion of physical and digital realms offers a unique selling proposition, appealing to traditional art enthusiasts and tech-savvy audiences alike. Offer customized AI art commissions. Personalization is a powerful selling point. Offer potential buyers the option to commission personalized AI-generated artwork by inputting their preferences, desires, or even personal stories into your AI algorithms. You can create art that resonates on a deeply personal level. This not only diversifies your income streams, but also builds deeper connections with your audience. The fusion of AI's computational prowess with individual narratives ensures each piece is both technologically robust and emotionally evocative. To promote this, showcase testimonials or case studies, illustrating the depth and breadth of personalized AI art you can curate, appealing to both individual buyers and businesses seeking unique brand assets. Educational workshops and webinars. Your expertise in AI-generated art is a treasure trove of knowledge many are eager to explore. Organize workshops, webinars, or online courses, teaching enthusiasts the nuances of creating the art using AI. This not only positions you as an expert in the field, but also provides an additional revenue stream. Beyond the technicalities, share insights on the philosophy, ethics, and future prospects of AI in the art domain. Such sessions offer a holistic perspective, appealing to budding artists, curious tech enthusiasts, and those keen on the interplay of technology and creativity. Licensing and royalty agreements. Beyond direct sales, licensing your AI-generated art for commercial purposes can be lucrative. Brands, advertisers, and media companies are constantly on the hunt for unique visuals. By licensing your art, you allow these entities to use your creations in their campaigns, products, or projects in exchange for a fee. Draft clear licensing agreements specifying usage rights, duration, and compensation. Platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock also offer artists the opportunity to sell licenses of their artwork to a global audience. Additionally, secure royalty agreements whenever possible, ensuring you earn each time your art is used, acknowledging its continued value. Collaborative tech and art projects. Partner with tech companies, software developers, or educational institutions for collaborative projects. Such endeavors could range from visualizing complex data, beautifying software interfaces, or creating dynamic digital installations for public spaces. Your AI-generated art offers a fresh visual perspective, making tech projects more relatable and engaging. These collaborations not only enhance your portfolio, but also open doors to niche markets, where art and technology converge to create value. Offer digital print merchandise. Beyond selling the art itself, monetize your creations by offering them as designs on merchandise. Platforms like Teespring, Society6, and Printful allow artists to upload their designs, which can then be printed on a myriad of products, from apparel to home decor. This requires minimal upfront investment, as most operate on a print-on-demand model. It's a great way to introduce your art to wider audiences, turning enthusiasts into ambassadors as they sport or showcase merchandise imprinted with your AI art. Ensure the quality of prints remains top-notch, reflecting the digital finesse of your original artwork. And that's a wrap. The canvas of opportunities is vast and ever-evolving. Remember, every pixel you generate, every algorithm you harness, is a step closer to creating your digital legacy. Keep creating, keep innovating, and let the virtual world be your oyster. Until next time, keep those digital palettes vibrant and those algorithms sharp.